Imagine this. You're driving through rugged terrain, the sun is setting, and the horizon stretches endlessly before you. The engine beneath you hums with power, and every twist of the throttle sends a thrill through your veins. This isn't just any SUV, this is the Tata Safari, a machine that redefines what a family-friendly adventure vehicle can be. If SUVs had a personality, the Safari would be the adventurous, dependable friend, the one that's always ready for the next journey, whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you explore. The Tata Safari isn't just an SUV, it's a legend. Since its debut in 1998, it has been a symbol of rugged capability and family-friendly comfort, blending the toughness of an off-roader with the refinement of a modern SUV. It's the vehicle of choice for adventurers, families, and anyone who values versatility, durability, and style. But what makes the Safari so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just an SUV, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about SUVs in general. Myth number 1. SUVs are gas guzzlers with no regard for efficiency. Wrong. The Safari is proof that you can have power and sustainability. With its 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine that delivers 168 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, it offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Myth number 2. SUVs are bulky and difficult to maneuver. Think again. The Safari features precise steering, a well-tuned suspension, and advanced driver assistance systems, making it as easy to drive as a sedan. And myth number 3, SUVs are only for off-road enthusiasts. Not the Safari. While it's capable of tackling rough terrain, it's also designed for city driving, offering a smooth and comfortable ride on paved roads. It's not just an SUV, it's a versatile, all-around companion. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Safari even more. Did you know that the Safari is built on Tata's OMEGARC architecture, which combines lightweight construction with exceptional rigidity for improved performance and safety? That's right, this platform is designed to handle the toughest conditions while keeping you and your family safe. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Safari offers terrain response modes, including normal, rough, and wet, allowing you to adapt to different driving conditions with ease. It's not just an SUV, it's a technological marvel. But the Safari isn't just about power, it's also about comfort and convenience. The interior is designed with families in mind, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and plenty of storage options. From the 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system to the 7-inch digital instrument cluster, every detail is designed to make life on the road more enjoyable. And with 3 rows of seating, the Safari can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for family road trips or weekend adventures. It's not just an SUV, it's a practical, everyday companion. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The Safari is here to answer that call. With its rugged design and advanced features, it's the perfect SUV for tackling tough jobs, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway in style. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment, towing a trailer, or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Safari is ready for anything. It's not just an SUV, it's a solution to the challenges of modern life. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Safari isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is reliable. The Safari is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine that delivers 168 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, providing plenty of power for highway merging, towing, or passing slower traffic. The 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth, responsive shifts, while the multi-drive modes let you customize the driving experience to suit your style and the road conditions. It's not just an SUV, it's a dependable, capable machine. But what really sets the Safari apart is its commitment to safety. Tata has always been a leader in automotive safety, and the Safari is no exception. It's packed with advanced safety features, including 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold control, and hill descent control. These features work together to help prevent accidents and keep you and your family safe on the road. It's not just an SUV, it's a guardian for your most precious cargo. So, what does the Tata Safari mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have power and comfort, capability and luxury, ruggedness and refinement. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and adventurous as you are. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tackling tough jobs, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway, the Safari is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of thoughtful design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Tata Safari isn't just an SUV, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: power, comfort, and adventure. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in family-friendly performance? Because the Safari isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.